everyone, this is Leo here. In today's video, I would like to unbox this Osmo Mobile 2. A friend of mine is really kind enough to bring this all the way from Hong Kong. The selling price in UK is £129, but in Hong Kong it's only £90, so it's really worth it. I used to have Osmo Mobile 1 during Christmas time. But it wasn't really that useful for me at that time. One of the main reasons is because I do not make too much video at that time. So getting more and more video makings, and video making is fun, yeah. So and also traveling. So this is definitely a good tool or toy when you travel. A lot of time I found that I make photos and video. It's just not usable without a gimbal. It's just too shaky and it's just not really good. And I try to stabilize with software. Doesn't work either. So it was disappointed a lot of time when I came back and look at the footage. So made up my mind to bought Osmo Mobile 2 and give it another try. And yeah, let's see how it works. So Osmo Mobile 2 comes in a box like this, which is quite nice. I'm not too sure whether I want to travel with this box. It's a little bit big. Yeah, maybe I'll just travel with a gimbal and see. Okay, so in the box it comes with a gimbal and a charging cable. Okay. First impression on this gimbal is in matte grey color. Looks really nice. But the handle side is a little bit rough. It's not like very grippy, and it's just plastic. Yeah, they should improve this part. Okay. In here, power button, shutter buttons, the motor controller. So this should be zoomed in and out. Charging port, and there is a USB port here. I think it's to charge your phone. The battery is all fully integrated into the unit. You can't replace the battery. There's a tripod mounting. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try with my iPhone. So in order to use this, you need to have DJI Go apps. So I already downloaded the apps here, and I think the first time I need to set up and also activate this product. Okay, let's try to mount this thing in here. Pressing the buttons. Okay. Oh, yeah, stabilize. Okay, connect the device. Fresh. Okay, it's done. I think the first thing that I should do is to calibrate the gimbal. Start calibrations. Okay, place on the flat surface, and yeah, okay, that is good. Go. One of the biggest improvement on Osmo Mobile 2 is now you're able to flip horizontal to vertical. So I think in the Instagram, Facebook world nowadays, or Snapchat, it should be very useful, especially when you post a video or photos of you in the vertical format. Okay, so the calibration is completed. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my screen recording on my iPhone, and I'm gonna see how's the gimbal look. How is that gonna look like? Okay, so the zooming, you can see. pretty smooth zooming. Zoom out. Okay. So yeah, hit the shutter buttons. Now I start recording a photo. Okay, and by me flipping to video, and that's the focus mode. I can switch the focus mode to focus my face. Okay, so now gimbal is moving to keep my face right in the center. So if I stand up and kind of walk a little bit and see how it looks like. Oh, it works pretty well. So now I'm gonna try to switch this to vertical mode. Okay, power off. Okay, so now power is off now. Okay, take out the iPhone. Now it's connected with vertical mode. So I realized the calibrations may be a little bit tricky, I guess. Like as you can see just now, a couple of times when I tried to adjust it, and it just didn't really get adjusted properly. It just keep flipping itself. So I guess maybe I should study how to calibrate this thing in more effective way. Now it's being set up this way. Start recording this. See, it's pretty fine. I'm gonna try with tracking my face. It's pretty fine, I guess. Alright. I think the next thing I should try is really bring this thing on the street and try to see how this thing gonna perform, especially when walking, and maybe perform some sport or do some jogging or running to see how good this gimbal is able to perform in the real world. See you later. Just came back from the street, did a couple of quick tests. I think I like it compared to the Osmo Mobile one. It's lighter, significantly cheaper, and now it able to take vertical mode. I think it's a good investment, especially I only pay for £90. Highly recommend it if you are a frequent traveler, you like to take good footage or photos. I think this is a good one. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave it down below, and also please subscribe to my channel. I will have more tutorial and review and also more footage in future. Thanks for watching. Bye.